Imagine this. You're making a toasted cheese sandwich in the break room at work. Everyone seems to be out for lunch, so it's just you right now. You put your sandwich in the sandwich press and go to the bathroom. It should be done by the time you get back. Within a few minutes, a fire breaks out, and smoke starts forming in the break room. Something needs to be fixed with the sandwich maker, apparently. Within 1 minute, the smoke and flames build in the break room, and the temperature at shoulder height reaches 200 degrees. Within 2 minutes, the room is nearly full of toxic black smoke, and the temperature rises dramatically. Within 3.5 minutes, the whole room is almost engulfed in flames and full of thick black toxic smoke. The temperature has risen to well over 500 degrees. It only takes 3 minutes for a fire to become unmanageable. In this course, you'll learn about the basics of fire, how to prevent fires from happening and spreading, and how to escape or tackle a fire if one were to occur in your workplace. Fire safety starts with you.